How to add note on Instagram posts and reels. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Instagram app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now, you will land on this home section once you are logged in, and you can simply scroll down and search for any Instagram post or reel where you want to add notes on. You can even go through the search icon at bottom left corner of the screen, and using the search bar you can easily open up any person ID, and there you can search for the post and reel. So for now, let's enter this home screen only. And now you need to simply tap on the share icon at bottom right corner of this post or reel, and now tap on note button. And here you need to add a note, and here you can simply choose the followers. You can even choose close friends or followers you follow back. And now tap the share button at bottom right corner of the screen, and you can easily see that we have added note on Instagram post and reels. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.